Good morning children. In today's class we proceed on to two-dimensional geometry, equation of lines, parallel, perpendicular, point of intersection and especially when a line is rotated through some angle. Question number 14. If the line joining 2 points A and B is rotated about A in anti-clockwise direction through an angle of 15, then find the equation of line in new position. The line is passing through AB. Let me call A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Given this line rotated in anti-clockwise, so this direction 15 degrees. So once I know this angle, the total angle, I can add this 15 with that. How to find angle here? Let us find out what is slope of AB. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or I get 1 minus 0 by 3 minus 2, that is 1. If the slope is 1, I can compare it with tan theta. Tan theta 1 tells me theta must be 45 degrees. So, AB makes an angle 45. This line is rotated 15 degrees anti-clockwise. So, if I call the new line is AC, how to find equation of AC? First of all, what is slope of AC? Slope of AC is tan of 45 degrees, the original angle, plus 15. Or I get tan 60, that is root 3. Once I know slope of AC, what is equation of AC? It is passing through A, that is 2, 0 and the slope is root 3. What is the equation? Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. As we substitute the new equation AC, I get y minus 0 equals m value root 3 into x minus x1 is 2. Y equals root 3x minus 2 root 3. So let us take and write the answer. Equation of the line in new position is root 3x minus y minus 2 root 3 equals to 0. Question number 15. A ray of light is coming from 1, 2 is reflected at A on x-axis and it passes through 5, 3. Find the coordinates of A. Since A is on x-axis, let us consider A equals x1, 0. Consider this point as B and this point as C. AB makes an angle theta. If AC is making an angle theta. If this is theta, reflection idea tells if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. What is B given to us? It is 1, 2. And what is C given to us? It is 5, 3. AB makes an angle theta. CA also making an angle theta. What does it mean? What is slope of AB? Slope of AB is, I can use y2 minus y1. So 2 minus 0 by 1 minus x1. I am using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I can also relate it to AB is making an angle 180 minus theta. If this angle is theta, with a positive side of x-axis, it is making 180 minus theta. So, when I know the angle is 180 minus theta with x-axis. I can also call slope of AB is tan of 180 minus theta. 180 comes no change, but second quadrant tan is negative. I get minus tan theta. So what is tan theta from here? It is minus 2 minus 0 by 1 minus x1. Call it as number 1. Let us proceed on to slope of AC. What is slope of AC? Again using the formula y2 minus y1. 3 minus 0 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus x1. AC is making an angle theta. I will simply call tan theta. So what do I get? Tan theta equals 3 by 5 minus x1. Call it as number 2. Once I know AB and AC slopes from which I am able to identify tan theta, let me correlate. Minus 2 by 1 minus x1 equals 3 by 5 minus x1. Cross multiplying, minus 10 plus 2x1 is 3 minus 3x1. Bringing 3x1 to the left and minus 10 to the right. I get 5x1 is 13 or x1 is 13 by 5 and therefore A equals 13 by 5, 0. The question is to find coordinates of A and A coordinates are 13 by 5, 0. We are using an important idea that reflected ray. If this angle is theta, this side, the original angle will be theta to this left side. But slope tells me with the positive direction of x-axis. So one angle theta tells me the other angle is 180 minus theta. Question number 16. A line is drawn perpendicular to 5x equals y plus 7. Find the equation of the perpendicular line if the area of the triangle formed by this line with a coordinate axis is 10 square units. The given line, let us rewrite 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. Perpendicular line will be interchanging x and y coefficients. It is x plus 5y plus k equal to 0. Now, given it is forming with the coordinate axis a triangle. So, I need what is x-intercept and y-intercept. Rewriting this equation, x plus 5y equals minus k, dividing by minus k. It is x by minus k plus 5y by minus k equals minus k by minus k. X by minus k plus y by minus k by 5 equals to 1. To form the triangle, what is area of the triangle? We know the formula half base into height. What is base? Base is x-intercept. And what is height? As I see the diagram, height is y-intercept. What is x-intercept and y-intercept in this question? X-intercept is minus k and y-intercept is minus k by 5. What is area of triangle given in the question? It is 10. Cross multiplying 10 into 2 into 5 equals minus into minus plus k square, or we get k square is 10 into 10, k equals plus or minus 10. Putting it back in equation number 1, we get x plus 5y plus 10 equal to 0 or x plus 5y minus 10 equal to 0, or the equations of the line perpendicular to the given line and the area of the triangle so formed is 10. Let us quickly rough through the problem. The given line we rewrite. For the perpendicular line, interchange x and y coefficients. Change the symbol for y. Introduce a constant. To find in intercept form, because I want area of triangle. Area of triangle is half base into height. Base is x-intercept, height is y-intercept. Rewriting this in intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. To write in this pattern, right hand side must be 1. To get it, bring k to the right, divide by minus k. Any number with x or y, bring it down. Now comparing, I get a is minus k and b is minus k by 5. That is, x-intercept is minus k, y-intercept is minus k by 5. As I substitute in the formula, given area is 10. Rewriting which we get k value plus or minus 10. Put k value back in first equation. So we arrive at the required equation of the line. Question number 17. Find the image of minus 2, 3 above the line x plus 2y minus 9 equals to 0. How to get the image? Consider the line x plus 2y minus 9 equals to 0. Let P be a point minus 2, 3. The image I call P dash. My question is to find what is P dash. If I join P and P dash, this P dash is a line perpendicular to the given line. If I consider A as the midpoint, I can easily find out what is P dash. So my first step is to find AP equation. Given, what is the given equation? Line perpendicular to x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0 will be interchanging x and y, changing the symbol for y and constant. We get equation of the perpendicular line. It is passing through minus 2, 3, that is P. If I substitute 2 into minus 2, minus 3 plus k 0, or minus 4 minus 3 plus k 0, or k equals 7. Putting it back in first equation, I get 2x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. The given question let me call 2. The perpendicular line let me call number 3. Now 2 and 3, if I solve, I will get what is A. To get A, let us solve 2 and 3. How to solve it? Second equation, let us multiply by 2. I get 2x plus 4y minus 18 equal to 0. Third equation, let us subtract. So change the symbol. Minus 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. As I simplify, I get 5y minus 25 is 0, or y equals 5. Once I get y value, substitute y equal to 5 in second equation. X plus 2 into 5 minus 9, 0, or x plus 10 minus 9 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So what is A? The point is minus 1, 5. Now we need to find what is P dash. Let us take P dash equal to h, k. A minus 1, 5 is midpoint of P is minus 2, 3 and P dash, that is h, k. As I know midpoint formula, It is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is minus 1, comma 5. In this question, x1, y1, x2, y2. Minus 2 plus h by 2, 3 plus k by 2. That is minus 1, comma 5. We get minus 2 plus h by 2 is minus 1. 3 plus k by 2 is 5. Cross multiplying, minus 2 plus h is minus 2 or h is equal to 0. 3 plus k is 10 or k equals 10 minus 3, that is 7. So what is p dash? P dash is 0, 7, and so we have found out the image of the given point about the line. What is the procedure? For the given line, write the perpendicular line. It is passing through the given point. Find out the perpendicular line. Solve it with a given line. I get A, the midpoint of P and its image. Let us call the image to be h, k. Using the midpoint formula, we have found out what is P dash. So P dash is 0, 7. To find the image, we have another formula method. The given line, compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is 1, b is 2. The point given minus 2, 3, let us take as x1, y1. To find the image of P, call it as P dash, which is obtained using this. Comparing these two, x minus x1 is minus 2 divided by a value 1 equals to minus 2 into ax1, 1 into minus 2 plus by1, 2 into 3 plus c, that is minus 9 divided by a square plus b square, 1 square plus 2 square. Or we get x plus 2 equals minus 2 into minus 2 plus 6 minus 9 divided by 4 plus 1, that is 5. Simplifying this, x plus 2 equals minus 2 into minus 11 plus 6, that is minus 5 by 5. As I cancel, I get plus 2. X is equal to 2 minus 2, that is 0. Similarly, let us compare y minus y1. y1 is 3 by b value 2 equals RHS. As we have simplified, we got 2. So y equals 2 2s are 4 plus 3. So y equals 7. So we get P dash equals to 0, 7. Another equivalent procedure using formula for image. You can choose whichever method you find better. Question number 18. A photocopy store charges rupees 1.50 per copy for the first 10 copies and rupees 1 per copy after the 10th copy. X be the number of copies and Y be the total cost. Draw the graph of the cost as X goes from 0 to 50. Find the cost of 40 copies. As I read the problem, X being number of copies and Y being the total cost of X copies, there is a variation. Up to 10 copies, the cost is 1.50. So, if X is the number of copies, X into 1.50 up to X value being 10. The next condition is, first 10 copies, it is 1.50 and from the 11th copy onwards, that is for the copies which are more than 10. So, find out X minus 10 will be the remaining copies. For those copies, the cost is 1. So, if I multiply and I simplify, I get Y equals 1.50 into 10 is 15 plus X minus 10 or I can write it as x plus 5. Substituting and rewriting the function y equals 1.5 into x for x ranging from 0 to 10. Y equals x plus 5 for x greater than 10. Having known the function, let us find out the graph of it, putting various values for x when x is 0. Here 1.5 into 0 is 0, so no copies put, no cost. Put x is 4, I get 4 into 1.5, that is 6. Put x is 10, it is 1.5 into 10, that is 15. Put x is 20. 20 comes here, so it will be 20 plus 5. My answer is 25. When x is 30, I get 30 plus 5, that is 35. So when x is 10 or below, substitute here. When x is more than 10, substitute here. As I try to plot it, 0, 0, 1 point. I can say 4, 6, somewhere here. 10, 15, it will be here. 20, 25. 30, 35. We need up to 50 copies, so put x value 50, it will be 55. 50 plus 5, that is 55. As I plot, it is 10, 20, 30. We can plot in y-axis. 50, 55 will be here. As we join it as a line, the second part of the question is find the cost of 40 copies. 40 will come in x greater than 10. So my answer is 40 plus 5, that is 45, and hence the problem.